Hi, I'm Lauren Stepp and I'm an educator with IdHAIR North America. Today I would like to share some product knowledge with you. It's time to share some Rescue 911 spray. This product packs a big punch. It has multiple benefits and uses. It is great for the hairdresser and the consumer. It is non-allergenic perfume, sulfate-free, and paraben-free.
I should probably get that.
Now 911 spray, it is a wonderful cutting lotion. It's a detangler. It is a leave-in conditioner. It has natural UV protection in it. It also equals out porosity. So pro tip, we can use 911 rescue spray before we tone the hair to equal out the porosity. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can find us at idhairnorthamerica.com. You can follow us on Instagram, and you could follow me specifically at Lauren Marie Hair and Makeup Company. Thanks for watching.